This is the wool I'm going to be using. Details of where I got the wool from will be in the description box below, and this one is in color red. Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. How are you doing today? So sorry I had to take a break because of my birthday. I had a lot going on, so I just decided to focus, but I actually vlogged some moments, moments I wouldn't want to forget in a hurry. I'm going to be uploading the vlog very soon, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a vlog. Watch the video from the beginning to the end because this video is very detailed and I'm very sure you're going to learn something from this video. So yeah, we are going to just do the jumbo box braid. It's not going to be like small box braid. It's going to be jumbo, big size box braid, and it's going to be like a knotless braid. And yeah, her hair has so much undergrowth, so we're just going to work with it like that. First, I'm just going to pass out where I want the box braid to be. Then I'll just go ahead to apply shine and jam. You guys already know, if you're an OG, you already know that I love to use shine and jam in almost every video or almost every hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just going to use shine and jam for the parts, and then we'll still go ahead to subsection the hair into smaller pieces or smaller sections. After that, we'll just go ahead to start box braiding, in which I'm doing a knotless braid. For this video, I'm just going to be doing two different types of knotless braid. The one you can use, you start off with an attachment, and the one you start off with the natural hair and then build up from there. You start up, the first one is starting up with an attachment and then consistently adding up extension to the hair until you get to your desired quantity. And then the second knotless braid is the one I'm just going to start off with her natural hair, and then consistently we'll start adding up extension as I box braid, and then when I get to the quantity or desired quantity I want or the client wants, I'm just going to stop there. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing the two different knotless braid. So you guys, which one do you like to do on your client? Which one is easier? Which one comes out looking perfect or comes out looking good? For me, it depends on the person's hair, and depends on the style of the hair as well. So if the style or the box braid is going to be a little quantities, I'm just going to start off with her natural hair. But if it's I'm just going to start off with her natural hair. And also, if she doesn't really have hair on that part, on the part of the hair I want to box braid, I will start off with an attachment, because it will kind of give it a volume. It will not make the tip or the root look so slim. Guys, hope you understand my explanation. But let us know, or let me know, or let's get chatting in the comment section. Which knotless braid do you prefer to start off with? Which one in particular? Is it the one adding attachment, or the one that you just start off with the client's box braid? And if you are not a hairstylist, which do you prefer on your hair? Let us just know in the comment section. For the box braid, I'm not braiding to the tip of the hair because we are going to be coiling it. So I'm just going to braid until a particular part of the hair or part of the extension, and then I'm just going to leave it like that because, like I said before, we are coiling the hair, the tip of the hair. So yeah, at this point, I'm just going to allow you guys to just watch through the video to see the whole process and see what I'm doing. So this is just the regular box braid, knotless box braid. So I'm just going to allow you guys just watch until we get to where we're about to coil the hair. You know, depend on me and the light, 'cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that right. No, I'm thinking
They see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. But do you cool? I'm happy that. What do you cool? Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can get.
Alright, now I'm about to coil the hair. First, I'm just going to prep the hair for coiling, and to do that I'm using this small comb to just comb the tip of the hair just so that it can be smooth, and so that after coiling it will come out looking good. And for coiling I'm using these rollers. This is the regular rollers they use in coiling, or yes, regular rollers they use in coiling hair, natural hair. So I use this with like the wall dryer. You can use any rollers of your choice, not any rollers per se. Like this particular one is a recommended rollers to use. So yeah, this is what I am going to be using to coil her hair, and to secure it I'm going to be using bobby pins to secure it as well.
How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy.
So to get a neat coil, I'm just going to take only 2 pieces of the hair, 2 pieces of the box braid, and then wrap it around the rollers. We'll be doing this to all the hairs or all the tip of the hair. After that, we just go ahead to put the hair into hot water like so. Gradually dip it into hot water. That's the tip of the hair into hot water, and then we'll allow it to cool off. after dipping the hair into hot water, the tip of the hair into hot water, we just go ahead to unravel. That's after putting it into hot water and allowing it to cool off. We allow it to just we'll then go ahead to unravel the hair. That's unravel the rollers from the hair gradually. And yeah, here's the final look, or what it looks like, or what the coil looks like. To get the trending hairstyle look, we just go ahead to use both needle and bobby pins to style that part into like a pony. Yeah, pony with coils, to style it like so. So I lost the clip of that part where I was styling it, but if you want to see a detailed video on how to style it, just let me know in the comment section as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and you're able to learn something from this video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't, or your notification. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. Like I said before, we'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.